known as a nightlife photographer. I'm out capturing people, and I started seeing Katy coming out. She made you feel like happy. There was just like a unique charisma that you don't see that much.
Katy, and I would see her, and then I'd be like, who is that person? This girl is completely mental and completely opposite from me in all the right ways.
We actually met at a Daft Punk concert. She had on a blue or pink wig and was dressed like a robot. So she's basically the same.
Years ago, we went to a concert. We laid on the grass and promised ourselves that we were gonna do amazing things with our lives. I'm gonna do this and it's gonna happen. And I was like, me too. And I swear to God, I'll never let you give up. She's my best friend.